How to fix Madden NFL 21 not downloading or slow download issue on Xbox? Here are some tips that would help fix Madden NFL 21 not downloading or slow download issue on Xbox. 1. Check your network and its settings, perform the speed test in your PC or Xbox. Google and try some tips regarding how to speed up internet connection on Windows/Xbox. Try NordVPN in this video guide to bypass Potential geo-blocks. 2. In the meantime, check for game server status at https://help.ea.com/in/nhl/nhl-21.